Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Best Rebounder Trampoline. Today, we're diving into an exciting interactive quiz about the best rebounder trampoline of 2024. If you're passionate about staying fit and finding the best equipment to do so, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Question 1. Let's start with something easy. What is one of the key benefits of using a rebounder trampoline? A. Improved cardiovascular health. B. Cooking skills improvement. C. Better car driving skills. D. Knowledge of quantum physics. That's right. The correct answer is A. Improved cardiovascular health. Rebounding on a trampoline is a fantastic way to boost your heart health and increase your endurance. Question 2. Moving on to something a bit more challenging. Which unique feature do high-quality rebounder trampolines offer that sets them apart from other trampolines? A. Adjustable tension options. B. Built-in speakers. C. Automatic folding capability. D. Solar-powered. Indeed, the correct answer is A. Adjustable tension options. This feature allows you to customize the tension to suit your workout intensity and preference. Question 3. What material is predominantly used in the making of quality rebounder trampolines to ensure durability and performance? A. Plastic. B. High-grade steel. C. Cardboard. D. Wood. Yes, you guessed it right. B. High-grade steel. This material ensures that your trampoline is both durable and capable of supporting various exercises. Question 4. What age group are rebounder trampolines particularly marketed towards? A. Toddlers. B. Teenagers. C. Adults. D. Seniors. Correct. The answer is C. Adults. While these trampolines are suitable for all ages, they are especially great for adults looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Question 5. And now for our final question. Which trampoline has been recognized as the best rebounder trampoline of 2024? A. Jump King Trampoline. B. Skywalker Trampoline. C. Stamina Trampoline. D. Bellicone Rebounder. Excellent. The correct answer is D. Bellicone Rebounder. Bellicone has set the standard for quality and performance in rebounder trampolines this year. If you're interested in learning more about the Bellicone Rebounder or if you're considering purchasing one, make sure to click the link in the description below for more information and exclusive offers. Thank you for participating in our quiz today. We hope you learned something new and enjoyed testing your knowledge about rebounder trampolines. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more great content. Until next time, keep bouncing and stay healthy.